Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to do a few exercises with our bands. They're all going to be seated, but just something, if you're looking for a different kind of workout and have one of these bands, a lot of people don't know what to do with them. I just thought I'd go through a few things that you can do. To get warmed up, I always just start by marching. We do teach a class over here that uses these bands, our Silver Sneakers class, so we do a lot of this in that class. Then we'll go out. And then just one. And the other way. Good. Now, we'll start by doing both curls at the same time, both arms. Good. Then we're going to cross them, and we'll do a row, pulling back to your hips. Now we'll do an upright one. So you're going straight up. Good. Now we'll take the band off. So you'll hold it in one hand and you're going to do some pulls. Now switch to the other side. Okay, then we'll grab it in the middle and put it straight in front, and we'll pull this way. Then we're going to hold it up, and we're going to do our triceps. So you're going to hold the band under your armpit. It's a little weird at first, but once you get it, you'll just have your elbows stationary working those triceps. Good, and then we'll do the other side. Then what we're going to do, above our head, pull. Good. All right, we'll put it around one foot, and you're going to bring it up and out. And if you pull it, the tighter you pull it, the harder it's going to be. Give you more tension. Switch to the other leg. We don't want that to happen. Alright. You gotta be careful when you're doing this one and make sure the band is in the middle of your foot so it doesn't fly off like it did to me. Okay. Last but not least here. We're going to wrap the band around our chair, and we'll start facing this way, and just pull all the way across. So whichever shoulder is against your chair, you're going to use that opposite arm to pull. Then we'll switch sides. Same thing. Opposite arm that's against the chair, that's the one you'll pull. kind of said last but not least, but I changed my mind. So this one we're gonna just do full chest flies. Good. And then we'll skim the water. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Just thought I'd give some examples of some exercises you could do with the band because a lot of people don't know what they can do with the band. So thanks for joining us today.